Hey peeps, Chris again. Yeah, we don't do this very often, but we're definitely asking you to subscribe to our channel. We want to get to a thousand subscribers, so please just hit that subscription button and also the like buttons. You know, like I said, we don't do this very often, like asking people to do it to subscribe to us, but we're kind of enjoying it, so we want to continue to be able to do it. So that would be pretty cool. I have a few updates that we need to give. One on the school, but we're gonna reserve that until next week. We're compiling some documentation. You'll definitely love that because that's like a very special space for us. So I was just thinking, right? Do you notice? Well, first thing is I think that one of the most important invention or inclusion on any device is the camera. Like on your cell phone, that camera thing is just off the chain. You remember that, like for example, JFK assassination and all that good stuff. You'd have to wait at least 20 years for anybody to release any information in regards to it, and everybody would be in the dark. No, literally online, everything is being unraveled. You can just simply, it's easy for you to know when somebody just is lying to you, and it's all about that cell phone camera. I'm projecting that we're going to live in a world where either they're going to remove the camera from the phone. I know it sounds silly, but trust me, watch that space. Also too, do you notice that in a world where everything is video, do you notice that when someone is actually, for example, a shooter is actually leaving a message, he writes a note? Go figure that. Does that even make sense? You have a social media account. Everything is about, everything about you is tech, tech, tech. And then just when you decide to kill people, you're going to leave a note. It's kind of weird. I wonder if anybody's actually leaving any notes, or it's just convenient to say a note was left. Anyway, please hit the like button and subscribe.